crafty friends, and happy Saturday.
Whoop, whoop.
How's it going? We made it through another week.
We did. It was fabulous.
It was a fabulous week. And it is a fabulous day to talk about Halloween, right?
Yes.
Well, it is time. It's one of my favorite times of the year. I love Halloween. We've discussed this many times before. I think it's because of the candy. So
There's a lot of great things about Halloween, but for Taylor, it's the candy.
It's the candy. I'm not big into dressing up. We typically don't do like family costumes. I decorate the house for Halloween.
Your house is so cute on Halloween.
I love Halloween decorations, and I eat all the candy.
Yeah.
Unless it's chocolate, then I give it to someone else.
Yes, true.
But I love all the gummy candies and all of the chewy things and sour things and all the things. So
all the things.
We also love to make Halloween cards and candy holders. And so we have some really fun products coming your way. If this is your first time watching, Whitney and I do a product reveal video every Saturday before we release new products on Tuesdays. And this is your first sneak peek at what's coming. And then all of the products are available for purchase on Tuesday at 9 a.m. So we like to go through them today to give you a look at what's coming, kind of explain some of the reasons why we did things, what it maybe goes with from the past. Typically, in past reveal videos, we have showed you samples, but we're going to make you wait a little bit longer for those samples this time. So make sure you mark your calendar for Tuesday, 10 a.m. I go live. We get to be crafty together, and I will be showing you lots of samples at that time using all of our Halloween goodies.
I love it. So
all right. Fun. Should we get started?
Yes, friends. Let's
do it. Okay, so we are going to start with our exclusive freebie for this release. So this week, when the release launches on Tuesday, this will be replacing our normal 100 plus freebie with this Mega Messages Trick or Treat die set.
Ooh.
I love our Mega Messages collection, so if you too love this and you earn this one for free, you can find all of the other Mega Messages that we have on our website. They are big, as the name describes. Mega Messages, they take up a good portion of your project, and the trick or treat is all connected together as one piece, and then you get that backer die as well. The design team has been really using this in some fun ways, so you will want to tune in for samples of that, and you can earn this when you purchase $100 or more. It will be automatically added to your cart.
You know my issues with having to find a sentiment to add to my card.
Yes.
So every time I get done making a card panel, I always choose the Mega Messages. I'm like, it looks so good. There's so many options, so this is perfect for me.
It's simple. You don't have to think about it. Just pop it on your pattern or design, and it's done.
Cute. So, I'm excited.
All right, then we have put together a few bundles of products for you. We love to create curated collections of products that all go together, and we make it easy for you to purchase those in a bundle. However, if you want to pick and choose, they're all available individually as well. So this is our Around Town Halloween bundle, has these 4 products in it, and you guessed it, we are exploring our Around Town collection in a Halloween theme. Look at how cute those images are. There are haunted houses, trees. You've got that kind of spooky bear tree. There's even a little black cat. Some trick-or-treaters. We've got Frankenstein and a ghost, and we even have a ghost driving a little car.
That made me giggle. I was like, is that a ghost?
So cute in this 3-layer stencil to create those different pieces. And then you can cut them out if you want using the Around Town Halloween cutting plate. So all of those images can be die cut, or you can use the panel on its own without die cutting as well. And then, of course, you'll want to pop a sentiment on there. So we have our Haunted Hello rubber stamp set. These are designed and sized to fit nicely in that around town scene, and you can decide if you want to die cut them with the coordinating dies. I love some of these sentiments.
Which way to the candy?
Yes. And You're a Graveyard Smash.
Oh,
I love that one. Creeping It Real. Too Cute to Spook. So some really fun sentiments in this Haunted Hello stamp set. So that's our Around Town Halloween bundle. We came up with another bundle for you guys. This one is called Ghoul Vibes. It's for all the boys and ghouls. And it features this adorable Ghost Hugs die set. It has a clear that goes with it as well. This was designed by Heather, and you can see creates those adorable little ghosts. This is a focal ghost, so it is a big ghost, which means you can do a lot of things with it. You can create tags for your treat bags. You can put it on a card. You get 3 different clear stamps with faces, and then you have little cheeks if you want your ghost to be rosy cheeked. And then the letters B, O, and O if you would like to stamp those onto the little banners that the ghost can hold. You can do that as well.
I love the banner.
Isn't that fun? I like making these little boy and girl ghosts too. We've got the little bow that you can put in the ghost's hair, even though ghosts don't have hair. You kind of set it up at the top of the ghost and it looks like a little bow in the hair, or you can put it down here on the neck, if we call it, as a necktie. I know ghosts don't have hair or necks, but you get what I'm saying. And it kind of makes your little pairing if you want a little boy and a ghoul to go together.
That's
so
really cute.
Really, really cute. We have some fun things to go with this in the ghosty theme as well. We have another Mega Messages set. This one is called Boo Eek, and you get those 2 shorter sentiments in this one set. Both of them have a backer die as well. So that's a fun way to pop a sentiment onto a card with a ghost. And then also, we had to do some special sentiments just for our little ghosty. This is called Ghoul Vibes, and I love these. Call me cute and feed me candy.
Yes, please.
Will you make me a card like that?
Absolutely. You know what? I'll do you one better. I'll give you candy.
And
with
candy.
a tag.
Okay, I like it. I get treats from Whitney. And then we have this one is cute too. This is a ghost hug. You can't feel it, but it's there.
Oh,
I love that.
We all need that.
Yes, especially if you're sending something to someone who's far away. They can't hug you in person, but it's a ghost hug. And then we've got Hey Ghoul Friend. You've been booed. That's a fun trend that's kind of going around recently where you create a tag and put it on a little gift, drop it off. I've even seen people ring the doorbell and run, and then the little tag says you've been booed, and you're supposed to pass it along to someone else. So
I think that's such a cute idea. You were the one that introduced me to that.
Yes, I think it's fun for teachers too. Just kind of set it in there on their desk if you're able to get into the classroom, or put one in the office and anonymously boo people. I love it. Boo in a good way, not like the boo way, but the fun way.
Yes.
And then if you're looking for a fun background for your ghost, we have this new background stamp called Celestial Skies that features the little slivered moons and stars in that fun background. So that's your Ghoul Vibes bundle. And again, all of those products are available for purchase individually as well. All right. And then last but not least, we've already talked about how we love to give treats for the holiday, for the Halloween holiday. And this is our Haunted Boulevard set. Don't you love those?
I do. It makes me giggle each time. Boulevard.
We had our gingerbread houses that looked like this in a holiday theme last year for Christmas, and we decided it would be really fun to add to that with the Haunted Boulevard. Look at the details on those stamps. You get the little spider hanging down, the candy corns decorating the front. This one even has a padlock on the door of the haunted house. Just got to keep people out. Mm-hmm. These, if you don't recall, are sized appropriately to fit on our treats and trinkets box. So that's one of the ways you can make this into a treat container, by die cutting these and placing them on the front of the treats and trinkets. The coordinating die set for this also includes lots of additions that you can place on those houses to decorate them. Little candy corns, ghosts, there's a little tombstone here, some pumpkins. You have boards even to board up the windows on these little houses. So lots of fun things that you can do with this stamp and coordinating die. And then as mentioned, The Treats and Trinkets box was something previously released. We have a die that cuts these out, but we're also offering these pre-cut boxes from our black licorice cardstock. So when you fold these up, the little house will fit either vertically or horizontally, depending on the orientation of the house, on this Treats and Trinkets box.
I like this
Super
because
fun.
it makes it so easy to just boom, 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 do, a lot of them.
Yes. And we got to get to the store too to figure out what they have this year for candies to fit in that box. We found some really cute skeletons last year, wasn't it?
Does that count as a work outing?
I think
Quote,
so.
Unquote, work outing. We're buying candy.
Yes. We will be taking a work outing to go buy candy for Halloween.
It's the best job ever.
We do have one more treat option for you, and this is something that's been requested from you guys for a while now. We're excited to bring in a gusseted treat bag into our collection. So the gusset is on the bottom of the treat bag. It expands and allows your, these are actually gusseted on the sides of the treat bag to expand the treat bag and allow you to fit more candy in it. So the current treat bags that we have are flat, and so you can only fit so much in them. So they're great as well, just depending on what you want to gift. We now have gusseted treat bags, and I've got one. I know I told you guys no samples, but I have one sample to show you. This one features a little tag using our Ghoul Vibes friend, and we've got little mini Reese's candies in there, so you can see that it holds a good amount of candy when those bag sides can expand a little bit.
I think that's my favorite part. It holds more candy.
Right.
Sold. I'm like, yes.
Okay, when you make me my treat for Halloween, it has to be in a gusseted bag.
Okay, I can do that.
All right, you guys, that's what we have coming up for our Halloween release. Let's bring you back here. And we'll say farewell. Again, don't forget to join us on Tuesday, 10 a.m. We will be live with these goodies, crafting something fun, and also sharing lots of our design team samples with you at that time. So tune in then. Until then, have a great weekend, and we'll see you later. Bye.